This phone really sucks at focusing. Is this your phone?
Yours.
Oh, really? My phone for you? But you'll see the other video if you want to get the close-ups that I'm recording with the mobile home. There's like nothing wrong with it. But the older ones are just... literally seeing the inside of people's houses. It's just there's understand the catastrophe here. To tore through this much destruction back to back. With these storms. You can hear the generators going off as well. Like, how does something that big even fall? For 20 years that I lived in Naples, 20 of them were in mobile homes. Really. What do you think? We were just there like 2 days ago. There was nothing. By Cape Coral, we were just there. They didn't have power ending. Remember? We were just in Cape Coral, what, yesterday, the day before? How many days ago we were in Cape Coral? We're in close to stinking. You know what I mean? Because it's always sometimes it's always the poorest neighborhoods that are left for last. Like, first day of school. Or something, you know, the situation they're going through, you know. And we're back to normal.